Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing and taking a first look at the brand new Wi-Fi Video Doorbell, a premium smart security device designed to protect your home and make life easier. From the start, the packaging feels clean and super simple. As soon as we open it, we are greeted with a thank you card from SmartNest Living, which I think is a nice touch. Inside the box, you have everything you need. The main Wi-Fi video doorbell unit, a charging cable, mounting screws and anchors, two rechargeable 2600 amps battery, the indoor chime receiver, and of course a manual for your installation. So let's dive into the star of the show. The design looks super sleek and modern, and it feels solid in hand. On the front, we've got the HD camera, the motion sensor, a microphone, and then the doorbell button. Everything is laid out neatly. This smart doorbell is packed with features, very cool features. You've got motion detection, human detection, two-way audio, and so you can actually see, hear, and talk to your visitors no matter where you are. It also supports night vision, giving you clear video even in low light. To control everything from your phone, you would need to use the iCam 365, which is available on Google Play App Store. From there, you can view live videos, get instant motion alerts, and even talk to whoever is at your door in real time. Overall, the Wi-Fi Video Doorbell is a powerful all-in-one solution for upgrading your home security. If you're ready to make your home smarter and safer, check it out now at smartnestliving.ca, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and also share with your friends, loved ones. We will be releasing more videos, so stay tuned. You can also hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload cool tips, cool security tips, and also smart home reviews. That's it, guys. Have a good one. Bye.